Anyway, point of this video. Putting seatbelts in the back of the car so my 4-year-old can ride with me. So, got the seat out, which was super easy. I just grabbed the bottom, pushed in, lifted up, and it came right out. I'll show you how it works. Here's these little brackets right here. They are not hooks. They're just to keep it from sliding forward. And they catch on these right here. Just holds it right in place. Keeps it from sliding forward. It goes up in there and it holds it perfectly, no problem. Seat's in great condition. Floor's in great condition. Anyway, so here's what I'm doing. This is my plan. That right there is a body mount bolt. There's one right over there as well. So I am going to use that for that part of the seat belt because that's like exactly in the right spot. I'm going to drill a hole here for the other side somewhere. I haven't figured out exactly where yet, but right about there. I'm trying to figure out width-wise how wide it needs to be. Do the same on the other side. That way I can put a third seat belt in the middle for if her friends want to ride when she's in school. She starts school next year, so she's going to be making friends. And I'm sure they're going to want to ride in it. Like my son's friends all wanted to ride in the Bel Air, which is for sale, by the way. The guy blew the clutch on it like I knew he would because he didn't know how to drive stick when I sold it to him. So if anyone's interested in the 51 Bel Air, I can give you all the details. Just let me know in the comments. Anyway, I'm going to punch the hole, going to drill, going to step bit it out, and go to Ace Hardware and buy some bolts if they're open. Today's 4th of July, so they may not be. By the way, thank you to all the vets. Love you guys. Appreciate everything you've done. Active servicemen as well, same thing. And yo, all right, back to work. All right, holes are drilled. One on each side. Haven't tried to get these body mount bolts out yet, but that's the next step. Let's see if I can. There's one there, and there's one back there. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try and get all this stuff cleaned up too while I'm in there. Not that, that's a different color material, that's on both sides. But the seat and stuff like that, I'm gonna hit it with an Armor All White and see if I can't get it clean. Get the seat belts in, get the seat back in. Then call it a day. Seatbelt's done, seat's back in. I ended up having to put it in the middle, so she's probably gonna be the only one that ever rides back here anyway. So it's not a huge deal, but I was hoping it would be over by the window so she could be near the window and get the air and all that. I went to take that body mount bolt off that was over here. Probably 10 pounds of pressure, at most 10 pounds. I went a little tight, and then I started loosening. I went 2 cranks, and I was gonna tighten again, and it popped right off. I was like, man, this thing's coming off easy. Yeah. Snapped it. It's not focusing. But anyway, seatbelt's in. So I just used the 2 holes, one for each side of the seatbelt. And there we go. I can strap her car seat in, I can strap her in, whatever. So, kind of see it. It's not really working out too well, huh? But there we go. Easy enough.